I promised real world, real life words for you guys today. We have one of them in Master Azerbaijani word of today, and that is KİRAYە. Kiraya. Kiraya is rent or rent payment or rental or for rent. Let's start because that is real world. To rent my house, to rent a car for vacation, available to be rented. Let's see. Evimi kiraya vermək. My house. I wrote it because it's easy to explain from there. Evimi, my house. To rent a house, evi kiraya vermək. All right? Tətil üçün, for vacation. Maşın, car, kiraya götürmək, to take for a rent. Tətil üçün maşın kiraya götürmək. Kiraya verilə bilər, means it's available to be rented. Let's use some sentences. Bundan daha ucuz kiraya ev tapmak mümkün deyil. Let's see. It is impossible to find a cheaper house rent than this. Let's break it apart. Mümkün değil means it's not possible, so it is impossible. Kiraya ev tapmak, to find a house for a rent, basically. Now, bundan daha ucuz. Remember comparatives, daha and an? There it is. Daha, you compare, cheaper. And is the cheapest. And ucuz, cheapest. Daha ucuz, cheaper. Bundan, than this. Bundan daha ucuz, cheaper than this. Kiraya ev tapmak, to find a house rent. It's impossible to find a cheaper house rent than this. Let's see another one. Ofis üçün avadanlıqları kiraya götürdük. We rented the equipment for the office. See, that's a great word to explain why some words, some letters change in Azerbaijani. See, we wrote here office in English, right? Technically, but you say office. Same goes here. We write office, we say office. But sometimes götürdük. See, götürdük, you write at the end. K. But when you say it, it drops. Götürdük. Okay? Ofis üçün avadanlıqları kiraya götürdük. See what's missing here? Remember I've been talking about it? I did not add there biz, which means we, because we don't need to. The action word, which is götürdük, already signifies it at the end. Götürdük, ki, that ki at the end. All right? Now, ofis üçün, for the office. Avadanlıqları, avadanlıqlar, avadanlık is singular, equipment, avadanlıqlar, equipments, but we don't say equipments. We just say the right way of translation. We rented the equipment for the office. Now, kiraya götürmek, to take. Götürmek means to take technically. Okay? But the right way to translate this, we rent. We rented the equipment for the office. Ofis üçün avadanlıqları kiraya götürdük. Right? That was 100% Azerbaijani words and sentences. Here is mine. Check out Ramit Seyti's YouTube video on kiraya versus owning the house. Just truly check it out. It's hilarious. Until then, come back tomorrow for a new word. And also, if you can and you want, check masterazerbaijani.com. If you find fun in reading blogs, that's where I post them every 10 days. Cheers.